Here in Waikoloa Village on the Big Island, we have a single 2-lane road in and out that is open to normal traffic 24/7. We also have a gated 1-lane route coming out of the end of Hulu Street in the middle of the village that can be driven in the event of an emergency. Most commonly, residents use this route as a hiking trail with its quite stunning ocean and mountain views. This video contains 6 separate drone flights showing the evacuation road. The first sequence is a full makai journey as one would normally drive in an emergency. Being an emergency route, this path was never intended to be constructed to county standards for regular traffic. It started out in 2005 as a simple dirt road, but the county has regularly made improvements, including placing reflective markers to help keep people on the road in the event of a night evacuation, and improving the surface from loose gravel to a chip seal. A chip seal is a combination between loose gravel and then either a thin asphalt or tar to act as a binding agent. The benefit of a chip seal is that it does not require a large asphalt laying machine or concrete mixers, and as a result, it is substantially cheaper. I do not know how they initially installed it on this route, but it is capable of being installed and repaired manually with hand tools and buckets. While a chip seal is significantly more durable than loose gravel, it is much less durable than either asphalt or concrete and can erode away after either heavy use or a significant rain. In the middle of the nights on May 10th and 11th, 2024, the village received approximately 5 inches of rain, nearly half of our annual normal total. At one point on the 11th, rain was falling more than 2 inches an hour, an absolute torrential downpour. Many roads in the area were flooded and debris was everywhere. County crews showed up right away once the rain subsided on the 11th, and they did a great job clearing up all of the public roads in the region within that day. They also cleared the Hulu Evacuation Route, but unfortunately we received another 1/4 inch on the 12th, and it appears that some flooding and debris buildup occurred in the low-lying valleys along the road, counteracting a few of their efforts. Most of the road still does look pretty great. I believe it is passable in just about any car, but a few of the areas are pretty rough, and I would be concerned about like an extremely low car or a sports car or something like that scraping and possibly getting stuck. The Hulu evacuation route does not have any curbs or gutters, and so there's a pretty good amount of erosion along the edges of the route. On the road itself, the chip seal has started to erode due to runoff in a handful of places and will definitely require repair in the near future as well. While we are extremely grateful for the Hulu evacuation road, a single lane is not sufficient for our community of almost 7,400, and we desperately need a real second road out of the village. We're working really hard to get it done. If you want to come join us, please do so at www.wildfirewaikoloa.org. This second set of videos is the route Mauka up the mountain. We're heading back uphill. This is not the way that you would drive, but it does offer a little bit more of an overview, shows you the whole path, and at a certain couple points I do get a little closer to the ground and you can see some more of the detail with the sun facing the other direction. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button if you want to see what else we're going to do in the future. And don't forget to come check us out at www.wildfirewaikoloa.org. We'll see you around.